just volunteer to lift these pictures up to this slide. All right, so that was loud.
I have suddenly regretted sitting.
So several people here are familiar with dry ice. Who here knows how cold it is?
Very cold.
Nobody knows? Do you know?
I bet you know.
Yes, I do. That's why I'm asking everybody else. All right, dry ice. It's used as a refrigerant, and it is at negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is not something that you want to hold in your hands. You want protection, unlike I got. What, you want the next one?
I've actually touched
Okay, maybe I want to prove this. And once you put it in water, you're going to need a little fog.
That's right.
Don't break anything.
Do you remember?
All right, I forgot what.
Now for a brief intermission. That's right. I still have that. You do?
every time I want to go get the candy. I had to go around behind it.
I just figured out how to get to the candy. Okay.
Yeah, I do have a little bit of that. That didn't work. This will work.
Bless you.
Now, what exactly are you doing there?
I am mixing a little bit of Dawn dish soap with a bit of water, and I probably should add a bit more water.
I've got a cup of water here.
No, root beer will not work.
What about Sierra Mist?
Worth a try.
It's really watered down.
I think it'll
We're
work.
gonna have it next time.
All right, so first things first, we do it around the edges, and then we wait. This is what's otherwise known as a glue bubble. I don't exactly know why the consistency of the soap lasts so much longer with CO2 inside instead of just regular atmosphere. But as you can see, a regular bubble would not last that long.
So when does it explode?
Eventually. Don't worry, it's not going to hit you.
He wants the goggles now. I do need an umbrella.
No, I need some.
Really big bubble.
Yeah, this is a science trick that you can use at Halloween. It's a basic principle. You get like a pickle jar, you take the lid, you put a hole in it, and you put a nozzle fitting on it. And at the end, you put a little soap on it, you send the fog through it, and you make boo bubbles. These little tiny boo bubbles that you can actually give the kids if they have like cotton gloves on.
Whoa.
Shall I do it again?
Yes.
Why not?
So why does it do that? Is it the viscosity of the water? What is it?
Why it gets so big?
Soap?
I'm actually not completely sure.
I think it has to do with the temperature.
That too.
When does it pop on its own?
Yeah, well, you can hold the bubbles. If you use something like a cotton glove or something, as long as it's not touching the skin, the bubbles will not pop. And not to mention, You know how when you throw bubbles in the air, they'll float away with the easiest of breeze? These will drop on the ground.
Yeah, well, even the smoke falls to the ground.
Yeah, because it's carbon dioxide, basically. That's what dry ice is. It's frozen carbon dioxide at negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit.
When does it pop on its own?
Check the pressure of the carbon dioxide fills.
It's kind of sugary.
So you add
So who wants a Coke? I can't eat
Those aren't chemical.
this. They're not?
I'll use the edge of the table and just put it on there and pop it.
Oh, he's got one. Yeah, this time I'm letting it go. No, there's one. I gotta see if it works or not. No, it wasn't frozen long enough. Usually what happens is you take a carbon drink, basically like Coke, you put it in the fridge for about 4 hours. But it does have to kind of be in a glass container. When it's in the fridge in the freezer for 4 hours, it'll get to a point where it's right before freezing. So once you take it out, you open it up, you just tap the top, and the carbon in it will release for one moment, and the entire drink will freeze in 1 second. Well, not 1 second, but within seconds. To the point where you can hold the glass upside down.
So when it turns into slush and comes out, it makes a giant mess everywhere. But it's not been there long enough.
But it's not.
Here, you do.
Why did I get
I've
there?
done that. How many times?
I'll take that.
And look, there it is.
What do you want?
Let's put it in the blue corner.
Sure, why not?
That was dramatic.
Had to wash it off anyway.
There you go.
Now, the next one, I'm going to request that everybody stand up and come closer because this one you will not be able to see if you are sitting down.
I thought you were going to say back away.